It is the fruits, trees, flowers, animals,
and birds.
and birds. There lived a beautiful peacock having beautiful body. Peacock danced merrily, happily in the rain. One fine day, Peacock danced the rain. Peacock during the rainy season, and Peacock danced the rainy season happily. Mm, mm.
And started to.
I started to singing.
Then he
realized a God didn't give him a beautiful voice like my beautiful body.
Nightingale.
Nightingale saw him from the tree and came down and asked, "Why are you sad? Why are you crying?"
Peacock replied,
Peacock replied,
"Oh dear,
"Oh dear Nightingale, although I have
God didn't give me
God didn't give me a beautiful voice like my beautiful body."
Nightingale. Nightingale said,
Nightingale said,
although
"Although I have beautiful voice, but when people sing, they disappoint. So don't complain, sir. Be happy as you are." Moral of the story is afraid.
thank you,
Moral of the story is
thank you God.
thank you God for what we have and don't complain
About
about what we don't have.
thank you.
Thank you.